Hey, I'm so happy you are here. Listen, as we get started here, there's so much we want to jump into, but I want to share this. There are a lot of changes going on in the world right now, and we all know that. And a lot of people are looking for that direction. They're looking for where things are going. They're looking for certainty, looking for a path and where to start and what to do. And a lot of people want it, but most people aren't willing to take the time. But you took the time, and we don't take that lightly. So I want you to know that with time, effort, and energy, I've designed this course to build upon itself. So the last thing you will say is, I can't believe I did it. What you will say is, thank God I took this course. Are you guys ready for this amazing experience? Say yes. Say yes. Yes. Great. Great. Now listen. We know the world has shifted. We know that there's a lot of changes out there and we could focus on what's wrong, as most people do. Or we can shift our minds and look for opportunities on what's right. And I love that saying that what's wrong is always available. Just turn on the TV. But what's right is always available too. And I hope to do over the next few hours is not just how to show you how to look at this industry, but how you could be a part of it. Sometimes in life, you could roll as hard as you can, right? But what if you are in the wrong boat? I love that analogy. You are in the boat and you're trying and you are working hard and you are not procrastinating. You're putting the work in, you're bowling. But if you are in the wrong boat and the world is going in a different direction, it doesn't matter how hard you rows. So first, I want to show you that this is not a magical money machine to get rich overnight, okay? If you're looking to make money fast, then this experience that I'm about to share with you is not for you. So please close this lecture and ask for a refund. This is opportunity to get in the right boat. Now, if you are brand new, I'll give you all the credits in the world, but you have to be an investigator. You have to be open-minded because you will have the opportunity to see what's possible and see the potential by staying with me until the end of this course. And breaking down those barriers that have already cost you too much in your life. So thank you for trusting me. Together we are going to rock the house over the next few hours or days, if you prefer. Now let me ask you this question. Have you thought about being in online business, selling what you know? Being a coach, doing workshops, building a course, doing a weekend workshop, doing a Zoom calls, or let's say in this way, helping people. When you make a course, you're using media as leverage. You can record something one time and 1 million people can see it at the same time. And you don't have to talk to every single person individually. That's leverage. So maybe you're just kind of being dabbing. You got one foot in, you kind of want to do it, you've been thinking about for years. Now, if this is you, then you are at the perfect place. Because I'm going to bust those myths and give you capabilities. Every module is designed to build upon. Every module has its meaning and purpose. So please, take your time. Don't skip any modules or lectures. Because if you skip some of them, you will not get the most out of this course. Now listen, this course is constructed with 3 phases. Just 3 phases and you are ready. every online teacher has to go through. Okay, the first phase is mindset phase. In this phase, I will show you things you could do on the inside to make you radiate and look beautiful, feel great about yourself, and match into the teaching business. So if you are just starting, please don't skip this phase. The next one is transformation phase. So again, if you're just starting, please don't skip this phase in which I'm going to transform you to be not to be afraid of failure, because we are all afraid of disappointment or afraid of getting hurt, okay? And finally, we have skill set phase. And this is the main phase. No matter if you are just starting or if you are already in the teaching business, in this phase, I will show you how to serve others, the types of online courses, pricing, and how to get your course idea. I will show you the whole framework and tools I'm using. Okay? I hope you are excited as I am, because we are starting with the mindset phase right now. Okay? Let's get into it.